guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another Monday. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And obviously in today's video, we are going to be talking about my lead gen secrets. Guys, my lead gen secrets is a fundamental part of my strategies, fundamental part of the way I structure my business with affiliate marketing. And I'm super happy to share with you the formula. I obviously cannot guarantee results if you're coming to this video to watch about my lead gen secrets, or maybe do your research for some strategies or everything. The playlist that you can find and the training that you can find literally on this channel is all in the description below. So feel free to check that out, and let's hop on my screen and share with you the month of July's results. How much has this strategy got me? What is actually happening? What do I do with it? And how do I move forward? That's very, very important for me to share with you. So this is a monthly review. And then in next week's video, we're going to be talking about more training for you guys. Have a great day. And right now, let me jump on my computer and share with you more. Awesome, guys. Welcome to another video. First and foremost, before I get started, I will be talking about my lead gen secrets in today's video. And if you are interested at any point of time to get my lead gen secrets, you will find the link in the description of this video. I want to say that I am not sharing this link because I promote my lead gen secrets. I'm sharing this link because I'm an affiliate marketer and I do what I teach. First and foremost, the link in the description is an affiliate link to my lead gen secrets. However, I use my lead gen secrets for the product that it is, not as an income source. I use it to generate traffic. So let me go ahead and actually share with you in a second. But this channel is all about skill sets to pave the way for your dreams to come true. So if you're interested in learning some skill sets specifically with affiliate marketing, then hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, and comment below, because I'm sure that you can get value from this entire process. So let's go ahead and share with you not only the formula that I use and why my lead gen secrets is important, but let's go ahead and also look at some numbers in today's video. First and foremost, as I mentioned, guys, I want to talk about the pros, the cons, everything that I've learned over the past few months following this strategy. I am an affiliate marketer for some time, and the basic strategy that I would follow with affiliate marketing is step 2, as you can see from this formula. However, I said to myself, and this is something that has come out of experience, this strategy has not been tested, or is not being tested because I do not have experience with affiliate marketing. It's coming from an affiliate marketer's perspective and then trying to get the best results from it. So I personally have the strategy in place because I work a full-time job. First and foremost, I have a 9 to 5. I wanted to use a limited amount of time to be able to start to generate cash flow. And then I wanted to invest that cash flow into buying high quality traffic. So paid traffic as my main core driving element. And then on the higher end, if I want to do, higher ticket and stuff like that, that's more one-to-one basis. So I am waiting, or rather I'm letting this whole process go through. If people reach out to me, great, then they will get the higher ticket. Otherwise, it will just go through this funnel. So this funnel has the potential to get $5,000 per month, in my opinion, at least, and consistently. Okay, these are just low-end products. These are mid-ticket products. These are also high-end products, but it's not focused on high-end products because I'm buying traffic. And paid traffic, you should be having at least low to mid-ticket offers, first and foremost. That being said, as I said, I created step 1 purely for a cash flow element. What does that mean? I wanted to generate income to invest on a monthly basis into buying traffic. And I didn't want that to come from my pocket. I wanted that to come from my efforts in marketing to be able to get a cash flow. And then from that cash flow, reinvest into my business until it becomes just basically a perpetual fund in itself, a perpetual traffic plan in itself. So that's the whole idea behind this structure. I have definitely learned from multiple other marketers that are out there, and this structure does work. It just needs time and needs consistency. So if you have time and consistency on your side, then definitely, when I say time, I don't mean it takes you a lot of time. I mean it needs to be applied for a long time for you to generate the results. Okay, so the first step is what we're talking about right here. My lead gen secrets. I send an email out every single day, and let me share with you what my lead gen secrets is. Give me a second, because I'm going to share with you also like pros, cons, everything, literally everything. So My Legion Secrets basically generates you it's a product that you pay $30 a month. Okay, you pay $60 one time, $30 setup fee, and $30 per month, and you basically pay $30 per month if you want to keep it going every single month after the first month. So first month is 60, then after that is 30. What are you buying? What are you paying for? You're paying to get 100 to 200 leads every single day in your platform. And then what you can do with that platform is it is an autorespond itself. So it is an email software which you can send out an email to those 100 leads, to those 200 leads that you receive every day. You can send out an email every single day, and this email you can promote your offer. So that is what My Legion Secrets does for you. Obviously, you can build a team, you can create residual income, and so on and so forth, but primarily they are there, you are paying for, and this is for you to understand. Please do not call this product a scam or anything like that, because what are you buying? If you have to buy a cup, what is the purpose of this cup? This cup is to drink tea, drink coffee, whatever it is. You know the purpose of it. So what are you paying for right now? You're paying to get 100 leads. As long as they are giving you those 100 leads every day, you have absolutely nothing to complain about. It doesn't mean that they're giving you buyers. It doesn't mean that they're giving you sales. They're giving you leads. How you convert those leads into sales, that's exactly what Google is giving you. That's exactly what Facebook is giving you. That's exactly what YouTube is giving you. Any type of advertising platform, that's what they're giving you. They're giving you a space where you spend money, you get a lead, and if you convert that lead, great, that's good on you. You're making a return on your investment. If you don't, well, you've just spent money. That is what paid advertising is. Get this in your heads. I want to say that out very clearly, very openly, so that you guys understand. So that's what this product is giving you. It obviously will cost you $1 every single day to maintain. I use it. I have just one account. I don't have more than one account, and all I do is send it to an offer, and I make a sale with that offer. So what we're going to be doing right now is I want to show you how the strategy is working. This step one itself is, in my opinion, a $200 per month method. Okay, it's a $200 per month method. It's just how I'm seeing it from March that I got started till now. So March, April, May, June, July. That's 5 months of following the strategy, and this step one has been consistently getting me $200 at least every single month just by following the strategy. So that's the beauty of it. Now let's see specifically in how is it generating me. What is the final results? So first and foremost, I use My Legion Secrets to offer my main primary offer on Warrior Plus. Let me repeat that again. I use My Legion Secrets to promote an offer on Warrior Plus. I do not promote My Legion Secrets. I promote an offer on Warrior Plus. Multiple offers actually on Warrior Plus, but there is a primary offer that I get the most amount of sales, which you can see on the screen at the moment. Now, if I move myself and I just go here and show you, I'm looking at the month of July, the entire month of July, with the tracking code as MLGS, which is the traffic source that I use. And voila, as you can see right here, I have made basically commissions of $210 in commissions. That means earnings. This is pure net profit for me. And the sales that I've made, the sales price, I've sold products worth of $312.50. So that is the sales price. So that means these people that My Legion Secrets, these 100 to 200 leads that I'm getting every day, I have sold to them $300 worth of products, and I've got commissions. I've got net profit from those products of 210. So just keep this number in your head. So it's not on My Legion Secrets. It's completely, I could send Google traffic here, I could send Bing traffic here, I could send whatever and make the same amount of commissions, but I'm using My Legion Secrets. I'm spending $30 and I've made 210. So 210 minus $30 is 180, as you can see. So 180, right? 180 is what I did there, and I made an additional amount of money, and that's what I'm going to show you. So that's on My Legion Secrets. First and foremost, this is what it's given me. Okay, outside My Legion Secrets, outside everything. Now, obviously, I'm going to show you the process. As I send out an email every day, I use this platform called My Legion Secrets. I'm going to show you. I do make mistakes. These are my statistics. I've not had the best statistics in this last month, to be honest, of July. Why? Because I've made mistakes. I've not been consistent. I mean, I've been consistent, but I've made mistakes. I've made mistakes. And what are the mistakes that I've made? I'm going to share with you here, because I don't think that is always great to give, positive results and positive things every single month, but tell you realistically what the journey is like. So I want to go to maybe the 4th page right here, because it will show you from the beginning of the month. So you can see from the beginning of the month, I'm averaging out about 100 to 200 clicks every single day. But you can see the first mistake right here. 2 days consecutively in a row, I sent the same email. Why? I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know why I send out the same email, or why I send out, maybe it's a different email. Let's see. It's a different email, but it has the same subject. So there's two different emails that I've sent, and both maybe were good emails, but it had the same subject. So this affected my conversion rate, first and foremost. This affected my conversion. This is a big mistake from my side because I was not paying attention, but I move on, guys. We always move on. Up to recently, as of today, the 1st of August, and I'm shooting this video, I made the same mistake here. I basically loaded yesterday's video, and when I wanted to load another another email that I wrote some time back, I wanted to load that. Instead, I loaded yesterday's email, and I sent two emails. Well, yesterday's email and today's email, the same email twice. So obviously, I don't expect to get high clicks and conversions here. You accept those mistakes as a marketer, and you move on, and you get better, and you learn from, you know, that you have to pay attention. But basically what you do is you write an email every single day, you send out an email every single day, and that goes to the offer. So if, just to give you an idea, this email, if I click over here, it will basically take me to the offer, which is on Warrior Plus, and I will make a sale if the person decides to buy. The whole aim is for me to write better copy, write a better email, prepare the buyer or prepare the reader to be able to make a buying decision. That is the whole purpose of my job in step one. That being said, this is the whole process, and fortunately enough, My Legion Secrets does have an affiliate program. And just to explain to you the affiliate program, you get a bonus lead. So from 100, you get 200 leads if you get at least one person to join under you. Now, without me trying that much, honestly, without me trying that much, I'm going to show you guys. I have 12 members right now. Okay, I have 12 members. And what I want to show you from these 12 members, I have tracking for these 12 members, as you can see right here. One is MLGS. So whenever you see MLGS, is me that has taken a custom link with the tracking code, and I've sent an email out about MLGS to MLGS leads. So that's one. But most of my signups, as you can see right here, I've got actually from a signature, which basically is what? Let me show you. The signature, so I would use the mailing system right here to send out an email, load the leads, send out an email, and this is just to show you guys. I'm going to load an email, and you can do it once every 24 hours, okay? And signature is this link right here. So in my signature, I have my picture, and then as you can see right here, it has a tracking code MLGS signature. So that means the most amount of referrals that I've got in My Legion Secrets is just from my picture. People have clicked over there and decided to join. And what that has done for me is basically it's generated me 12 active members. Now for each active member from the first line, not second, not third, from the first line, you get $5. So 5 people means basically $60 this month of July. So in July, I've earned $60, and let's go ahead and actually check out those commissions. So guys, as you can see right here, there's $5 on the 29th. The RC means basically recurring more than 1 month. You can see that these are recurring payments. This is a new payment. So I got 1 new person this month, 2 new people this month, 3 new people this month, 3 new people this month of July. Okay, so these are 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And obviously I'm not gonna count, but there's I think also there was $5 that I got from the previous month in advance, so that's why. But basically I have $60 this month that I've earned, and that has all come from the commissions. Now I'm not trying to build a team in My Legion Secrets. I'm just gonna show you guys what is all of it together. This is happening organically in the background. 5 days a week I send out to my primary offer. 2 days a week I send out to a high ticket offer, but I have a more focused approach to My Legion Secrets. So if I make 2 or 3, basically if I make 2 or 3 new referrals every single month, I know that I'm getting more income coming in. So I think by the end of this year, I will make My Legion Secrets $100 per month at least income source, which basically means that it pays for itself. Because if I spend $60 the first month and $30 every single month after that, I'm making $70 profit just by having this service in place. And in fact, so far I've made $180 just by doing that. So $60 plus $180 is basically $220 is what I've been earning in profit, totally in profit. $220 is what, or to a little bit more than that, maybe $240. Let me see, 310 minus 30. Yes. So it's actually more if I go to My Legion, because I did a post about this. So let's go ahead. By the way, guys, if you do decide to get My Legion Secrets, please reach out to me so I can add you to this group. because this group is super important in my opinion. But as you guys can see right here, I showed the entire profit. So yes, 240 is what I am basically earning. What is it? Basically means 210 plus 60, which is 270 minus 30. So $240 in profit is for the month of July, just using My Legion Secrets itself. How amazing is that? So is it value for money? Is it worth it? I'm generating $240 more than the amount that I'm spending. This is above, like this is net profit, right? After my deductions of the $30 what I'm spending for My Legion Secrets. So is it worth it? Yes. Does it have bias? Yes. Is it going to take you time to get results? I believe so. Are the results going to be different from mine? Definitely. Can I guarantee you those results? No. But it is showing that this service firstly is available since 2019. They are providing you 100 to 200 leads. That is the purpose of this service. What you do with those leads, it's up to you. If you can convert them like this even better than me, then great. That's good for you. That's what you need to focus on. But understand the logic of what this service is providing you. Guys, if you're interested, My Legion Secrets is going to be in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this monthly update. I'm going to see you on next week's video for more training, more advice, and I hope you have a nice week ahead. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true.